panel wherein you will study the incentive programs or schemes of our employees. Now, sa ulit pag-usap namin ni Mr. Williams for January 2008, at least for the first quarter, hindi natin muna itutuloy yung pagkuha ng HR manager. So, by January, tatlo muna yung upo sa HR, okay, plus yung isa namin staff doon. So, basically, ang magmaman ng HR MD for 2008, at least for the first quarter, yung tatlong staff na to, which is the learning and development supervisor, the recruitment and employee relations supervisor, as well as compensation and benefits supervisor. So, bari, ito lang yung mga key areas naman, yung mga key areas ng HRMD na nakikita sa ngayon. Pagdating doon sa ilang mga units or aspect ng HRMD, like yung kailangan ng HR manager, we will discuss it with Mr. Williams or both them kung sino yung pwedeng kausapin regarding resolution of problems or conflict. Okay? So, as of the moment, ang Sheila Consulting is still engaged with us, and expected inputs are the following. So, hindi pa tapos yung engagement sa atin ng Sheila. So, meron pa tayo yung final job description and classification, kasama dito yung job rate. Nasa kanila pa rin yung salary pay scheme and implementing policy. And, of course, in number 3, the revised company code and employee discipline. Attached nito yung ibang policies and procedures katulad ng regularization, promotions, kung paano gagawin, isa rin yan sa input ng Anchila next year. Okay, although natapos yung ating contract sa kanila, they are still engaged with us. Okay, ang expected accomplishment of about engagement will be by the middle of January 2008. Just yesterday, pinabigay ko na kay Boss Dennis yung final salary pay scheme and implementing policy para doon sa ating adjustment ng salary for January 2008. Okay. So, for recruitment and employee relations supervisor, sa recruitment selection and placement, ito yung isa dun sa gagawin niya. Okay? So, review and formulation of recruitment selection and placement policy. So, ito yung pinapractice natin ngayon na kung sino mag-interview, kung ano ang mga requirements. Of course, now, for January 2008, and at least implementation ito expected in February of 2008 first week, all the competencies of a job position will be based on the job description as per Anchila. So that will be done on the second week of January, and of course we will submit it to the EDP for approval on the third week, and we will disseminate the new policy of the recruitment selection and placement on the fourth week and implement it on the first week of February. For your personal needs, as presented here at this corporate planning, of course we will process it the usual way until the approved policy has been implemented. Yes, sir. Yes, Ms.
Sir, ako na kung sila mo nag-guide ng HR manual.
Yes, kasama yun dun sa isa sa input nila dito. Hindi ko lang nilagay dito because I don't know exactly kung ano yung mga engagement pa nila with what they're doing.
Di ba sir yung mga, I'm expecting na all the policies and procedures to be na kasi di ba HR manual kung improve ng termination, hindi nila hawakan.
Actually, from hiring to termination, right? Actually, wala yun sa engagement natin. Additional...
Pero paano sinabi nila yun?
Yes, sinabi nila, but it is not included. Yes, but it is not included in the contract. It is not included in the contract. Kaya, ayaw mo lang mag-realize nila.
Kaya kanya namin
Muna. Yes, pero of course, kung meron silang ilalabas na HR policy from hiring to firing, of course, we will look at it or adopt it as well.